Making medical explainer videos without animation skills. Medical topics are often complex and can be difficult to convey to a non-technical audience. Animation is usually required to make these topics more understandable and visually appealing. However, not everyone has the necessary skills or knowledge to create engaging animations from scratch. That's where AI comes in. InVideo allows you to create professional-looking medical explainer videos without the need for drawing or animating anything manually. Using AI, you can select relevant visuals, such as images, stock video clips, and transitions that mimic the feel of traditional animated explainers. For example, you could explain how insulin works in the body, or what happens during a heart attack. The platform offers templates for health and science topics, making it easier to organize information in a logical flow. Narration can be added using built-in AI voices, and your video can be exported in high definition HD for immediate sharing with your target audience. Hospitals, doctors, and medical influencers are increasingly using tools like InVideo to explain difficult concepts and make healthcare more accessible to everyday people. In conclusion, InVideo is a valuable tool for creating professional-looking medical explainer videos without the need for complex animation skills. By leveraging AI, you can effectively convey medical information to a non-technical audience in a clear and concise manner.